Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday.
Howdy.
And today we have Caffeinated Water by Caffeine.
With a K, right?
With a K. Caffeine.
This is a Dollar Tree
Special. Yeah, so this is pretty interesting. So we got 0 calories in this entire liter of liquid.
It's a good thing.
It's pretty interesting. So we got ourselves 340 milligrams of sodium in it, not too bad. 105 milligrams of potassium. That'll be nice. And then 120 milligrams of caffeine in the entire can.
Yeah, hydration.
Yeah, and there's like nothing else in it. So the ingredients are purified water by reverse osmosis. Ooh. And then sodium, potassium, sodium bisphosphate, and sorbate.
Well, that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, so I'm confident in that. But anyways,
It's pretty wild that we go from energy drinks to energy water.
Energy water,
with
yeah.
Caffeine. Is this the end of Energy Drink Mondays?
no, this is not. There's just something with caffeine in it, and it seemed like it would be interesting to try. So let's see here. So you got a little bit of the sodium. You pick that up right away. Just a little bit. Oh, yeah, there. But other than that, there's like, I mean, I think part of the thing is that when you look at the bottle, you're thinking like maybe like a root beery, citrusy, yeah, something along those lines. But there's like, there's no taste. That's fascinating.
Good old water.
I guess you could say it's kind of like heavy water because you can tell that there's something in it. Obviously, you got 340 milligrams of sodium, 105 grams of potassium. But other than that, I mean, it's like water.
Like
that is fascinating.
Some body to it, if you would want to say.
Yeah, I guess so. If you want to say that.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's fascinating.
It's interesting. I'm not sure I'd go grab it again.
No, I mean, I guess it's good if you're gonna have put flavors into it.
Yeah.
Just do that. Put some of the artificial flavors in it. Yeah, so we can do that.
So I might do that.
Yeah, but that's interesting. I don't think it's going to get onto any sort of rating from us, but
Not really.
it's interesting.
So I'll put one of these caffeine packets in, and the caffeine packets have like
80 milligrams of caffeine.
Yeah.
So I mean, that's not too bad.
I'll be good to go.
I mean, you're still less than a bang of 300 milligrams. So I mean, that's kind of weird, but it's also kind of cool at the same time for those that just want a quick bit of caffeine but don't really want any of the soda or anything like that. So.
Right, especially people who are really just staying away from the sodas.
Yes, exactly. So yeah, but other than that, that's kind of weird, but it's good at the same time. It's good tasting water. So, anyways, but that's an interesting, intriguing thing. If you see it and want to try it out, there it is. That's kind of interesting. And also, as I said, a good source of potassium there. That's pretty good.
More than $1.25 for it.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys here next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.